What is up, trappers? Good morning. I tried to shoot this video while driving on the way, and I don't think it's gonna work. All you can hear is that exhaust note, guys. It rumbles back there. So I had to pull over, I don't know, as a church on 19, right outside Napanee. So I pulled over here. But anyway, guys, I'm on my way to Wakarusa again. Back to Monteith Tire. No, nothing's bad. Ooh, look at that. You can see the yellow from the rag that I used to clean the tanks with alcohol after I sanded them. So, anyway, I am on my way back to Monteith Tire. They are taking care of something for me, and I have been waiting anxiously and excitedly about. So I'm gonna get this camera flipped around and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, guys, check it out. Forgive me, it's dirty in here. I haven't detailed this yet, and the reason I haven't is largely because of what I'm about to show you. Man, I can't wait to get rid of those mirrors. But check this out, guys. Oh, this thing likes to lock me in. It's not detailed, so forgive me. It is messy. Man, look at this right here. If you guys can get in here and see this, man, that bushing is shot, man, just gone. Here are my door pins. I've been harping about it, and the bottom one's bad too. Well, what's tree buds? Anyway. They're both shot, guys. They really need to be done right, because this is what happens. You see my door panel? Man, this is rickety. Look, they got the door pins popped out. Everything, guys. They can't have that. Come on now. You know what I mean? So there's no point in fixing all this rickety stuff. I have the pins for it. I know how to fix the armrest. That should be okay. But it won't do me any good to do this until I take care of this, guys. So this is what we're on our way to do today, and hopefully Monteith takes real good care of us like they did the underpinnings on this. So that's what we're doing, guys. That's where we're headed, and I'm going to end this clip, and we will see you in the next one. And until then, keep on trapping. All right, trappers, we are back in the trapway. We are back from Monteith. I was there for a little bit. They were kind of busy today. They had a lot of people in and out of there. Had a conversation with an older gentleman. He'd been towing RVs for a long time. Had 800,000 miles on his truck, and I was just thinking, man, what the heck? But it's got to be a diesel truck. That's what I'm assuming. But he was in there because his tires were wearing. I don't think he's got his pressure right. But anyway, that's not what I want to show you guys. They fixed the door pins and the Blazer, and it's nice, guys. I'm digging it. So I'm real happy camper about that. We're gonna get, man, it always locks me in. This is the lockingest doors I've ever seen. I gotta find where the fuse is for that, or whatever it is, and make that stop, because it drives me nuts. There we go. Oh man, instantly nicer. So much nicer. Let's shut it once, guys. Oh man, all I gotta do is get that door panel fixed. That's slick, dude. I can handle that for sure. So anyway, let's get this flipped around, and I'm gonna show you guys this. Man, that really needs detailed. You'll see. All right, guys, this is what I'm looking at. Ooh, yeah, nice and clean. A lot cleaner. See that? Bushings are in where they need to be. Bottom bushings are good. No problemos. Let's get a shut on this once. Oh man, I tell you guys, that makes me a happy camper. When this door's put back together and it's right, oh yeah, guys, that'd be real nice. Makes me happy. It really does. That means I can continue a lot of projects. You can see the drain hose there, and I think that's for the sunroof. I really think so. So anyway, that's the new door pins, guys. That makes me happy, very happy. Shout out to Monteith and Wakarusa, Indiana. Real happy, guys. Thank you a lot. I appreciate your work. Guys, we're going to jump in. Trevor Spiller is on his way up on his lawnmower again. He's just coming to hang out, but I think I'm going to work on the air ride, the tanks. I left that project last night in the shed, and it's ready for us today. So we'll get back with some more clips on that. We'll see you in the next clip. Keep on trapping.